Hello, students, and welcome to class. You've been doing amazing work in this series. We've already covered contractions with to be, the pronoun and the verb to be, I'm, your, he's, she's, and we've done the contractions with to have, I've, you've, we've. Today, we're looking at a group that's going to make a huge difference in how you talk about the future. Contractions with will. So these are everywhere in everyday English. And once you've got them down, you will sound incredibly natural. So let's get into it. So, why does will get squeezed into a contraction? Well, first of all, remember a contraction is just two words that are pushed together with an apostrophe marking where some letters have been left out. With will contractions, we drop the WI and just keep the two LLs, and we attach those right on to the pronoun. So I will becomes I'll. That WI just disappears, and we're left with that smooth, old sound. You'll hear these constantly in English, in plans, in promises, in predictions, in offers, things that talk about the future. I'll call you later, or we'll figure it out. Native speakers almost never say the full I will in casual conversation. So using these contractions is one of the fastest ways to sound more natural when you're talking about the future. Let's go through each one together. I'll say the full version first and then the contraction. And just repeat after me. I will becomes I'll. I'll. As in, I'll call you later. You will becomes you'll. You'll. For example, you'll love this restaurant. He will becomes he'll. He'll. As in, he'll be here by noon. She will becomes she'll. She'll. For example, she'll finish the report tomorrow. It will becomes it'll. It'll. As in, it'll be worth it, I promise. We will becomes will. 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 For example, we'll figure it out together. They will becomes they'll. They'll. As in, they'll arrive on Friday. One quick note on it'll. You'll hear this one less often in writing, but in spoken English, it comes up all the time. So don't be surprised when you hear it, and don't be afraid to use it. Okay, let's take all these contractions and put them to work. A little practice. First, just listen and repeat after me. I'll say the full phrase and then the contraction. I will. I'll. I'll. You will. You'll. You'll. He will. He'll. He'll. She will. She'll. She'll. It will. It'll. It'll. We will. 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 They will. They'll. They'll. Okay, let's try some sentences. How would you say, you will love this restaurant, but use the contraction? Very good. You'll love this restaurant. How about another one? How would you change, we will find the answer together, but use the contraction? Mm-hmm. We'll find the answer together. Okay, and one more. How about they will arrive on Friday? They'll. They'll arrive on Friday. All right, great work. You are building fluency and much more natural sound in English. Okay, now this is my favorite part of every video, the story. So we're going to do our story practice together. First, just listen. I'll read the story with all the contractions so that you can hear how they sound in a natural way. And then you'll have a chance to put them in after. So first, just listen. My team and I are planning a big presentation for next week. I'll handle the introduction. Maria is great with numbers. She'll cover the data section. Max is our tech expert, so he'll set up the technology we need. Because we all know it'll take forever if the rest of us try. They'll both be joining us by video call from the other office, so we'll need to make sure the connection is good. Don't worry though, you'll see, it's going to work perfectly. All right, now it's your turn. I'll read the story again without the contractions. And when I pause, you say the correct contraction in the right place. My team and I are planning a big presentation for next week. I will handle the introduction. Maria is great with numbers. She will cover the data section. Max is our tech expert, so he will set up the technology we need. Because we all know it will take forever if the rest of us try. They will both be joining us by video call from the other office. So we will need to make sure the connection is good. Don't worry though, you will see it's going to work perfectly. So how did you do? Excellent. There you have it. I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, it'll, will, and they'll. These little contractions are your ticket to talking about the future the way native speakers actually talk. Start listening for them in movies, in TV shows, in songs, and you'll start hearing them everywhere. Here's your comment challenge for the comments below. Write a sentence about something you're planning to do using one of today's contractions. Try I'll, we'll, or she'll. Tell me about your plans or someone else's plans for the future. If you're just joining us, go back and check out parts 1 and 2 of the series. The links are right here. And we'll be covering would and had contractions, words like I'd, you'd, and they'd, next in our next video. Hit the like button and the subscribe button so you don't miss it. And also tell me, what are your language challenges? Let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching. Keep on practicing.